Hi, my name is Nombuso Mavuso, your DeFi power trainer. Today I'm excited and proud to be introducing to you a combi refrigerator that's one of a kind in its range. Introducing the EdgeBend 60 centimeter DAC 629. With a no-frost bottom freezer. This will ensure that you don't have any ice buildup in your freezer compartment. This unit boasts of having a whopping 309 net liter capacity. This ensures that you have enough space to store all your essential goods that need to be kept at optimum freshness. In today's world, where electricity can be quite hefty on the pocket, the DAC 629 boasts of having an energy rating of A+, which means you'll save a lot of money in the long run. The DAC 629 also has a no-frost bottom freezer. This will ensure that you don't have any ice buildup in your freezer compartment. What's even more amazing is the fact that you won't have any ice buildup in your fridge compartment. So, how is that possible? This refrigerator has an auto defrost system in the fridge compartment. So to put it to you in simple terms, when you open your fridge, cool air escapes and warm air is introduced. Ice particles are formed on the back panel of your refrigerator wall. When your compressor goes off, these ice particles automatically melt and are drained and are later automatically evaporated. So essentially, it means that both compartments will not build up any ice. So surely you're getting a lot of benefit and not to mention value for the price you pay. As a salesperson, you need to ask the right questions in order to situate the right product to suit your customer's needs. Some great questions to ask are, do you ever find that you have to manually switch off your fridge to remove all the ice buildup, which could actually take up a lot of your time? Do you also find that the drawers get stuck due to the ice buildup? The answer is most probably yes. The DAC 629 is a brilliant solution to your customers' needs, as this refrigerator has a no-frost freezer compartment. This will guarantee that no ice will build up in your freezer compartment. This will also make sliding out your drawers very simple and easy. Another great question to ask is, do you ever want to change the direction in which your doors open? The DAC 629 has reversible doors. Reversible doors are useful for when you need your refrigerator to fit into a specific space or when you need to change the direction in which the doors open for your convenience. This refrigerator also has other groundbreaking features, which include LED lighting for clearer visibility, a slimline water dispenser that does not take up any space in your refrigerator, antibacterial door seal that prevents bacteria from creeping into your fridge. To set your refrigerator apart from the rest, DeFi also has other groundbreaking features that come with this refrigerator. These include a premium satin metallic finish, an embossed DeFi logo, as well as a flap-down door in the freezer compartment. This makes it easy to slide in your ice tray so you can avoid any spillages. As a salesperson, you need to give your customer the ultimate experience. Please ensure that you give your customer some great tips and advice upon purchasing their refrigerator. First, your customer needs to transport their refrigerator in an upright position. When your customer gets home, they need to wait 1 hour before switching their refrigerator on. After they've switched their refrigerator on, they need to wait an additional 6 hours before storing their goods. Your customer also needs to put the thermostat at 3, which will ensure that your refrigerator reaches its optimum temperatures of 4 for the fridge compartment and -18 for the freezer compartment. Remember to tell your customers to use the spaces provided in order for their condenser to get breathing space so your refrigerator operates at its optimum best. Remember that the water dispenser is also easily removable for easy cleaning. All you need to do is remove the funnel, the water dispenser drawer, and the water tank. It's easy to remove, also it's very easy to put back. DeFi continues to innovate its product with the customer in mind. Remember that our refrigerators are simply the best. If the DAC 629 suits your customer's needs, or if you're looking for a product that helps keep your goods at optimal best, remember to go home with the #1 leading brand. Because why? DeFi, believe in better.